Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. Good afternoon. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS test. This is Saneb Nearly, your examiner. I will conduct your speaking test from right now at Praxis Hobbygunj. It has 3 parts. I'll instruct you for each. Okay? Shall we start?
Yes,
May I see your ID?
Here is my ID card. Please to him.
Okay. What's your full name?
My full name is Tony Rahman Choiti. May you call me Choiti?
Okay. Jyoti. For part 1, I'll ask a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Do you work or study?
I completed my completed my graduation in Vrindavan Golf College from Hobbyganj.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Shastaganj from Hobbyganj district in division Select.
Okay. Let's talk about healthy lifestyle. Do you lead a healthy lifestyle?
Yes, I try to lead a healthy lifestyle by maintaining a um, balanced diet, and I regularly exercise and getting enough sleep.
Okay. What do you do to keep fit?
I I usually I usually go for morning walk and workout to a few times in a week, and instead during day I miss a long time sitting to long time.
Okay. Have you ever had any habits which you consider to be unhealthy?
Yes, I used many drinks and sugar drinks and skip breakfast, which I know which I now realize it's harmful my healthy.
Okay. Is fitness or a healthy diet more important to you?
Both are important, but if I had, I would say diet is more important or healthy. It's help us our body and mind reduce stress.
Okay, let's talk about flowers. Do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flowers. Mm, I can't. And I various types of flowers such as um, rose belly, and kodom.
Okay, have you ever gifted flowers to someone?
Yes, I like to give someone and red roses. Mm, it's it's me enjoying and
Okay, that is the end of your speaking part 1. Now we will continue our speaking part 2. In this section, I will show you a cue card. You will have 1 minute to think about your answers. And you will get 1 to 2 minutes to talk. I'll tell you when to start and when to stop. If it's necessary, you can make some notes as well. Here is the note paper and pen. And your cue card topic is describe something healthy you enjoy doing. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Okay, ma'am, start your speaking.
I one healthy activity I truly enjoy is morning walking. Mm, it's a simple it's a simple exercise, but it's in it's it is enjoying, and it's affected from our body and mind. I usually go for morning walking is nearby park. It's very peaceful, and green space, tall trees, and especially peaceful in the morning. I believe in morning walking is very important our health and body in mind. In physically it helps me our weight gain, and reduce my stretch and body and mind. So um, it keeps helps us our healthy lifestyle. It's very important. It's it's helped me our energy in the day. In my opinion, morning walk is very important our daily life, and uh, our healthy.
Okay, I'll stop the time here. Give me the cue card. Okay, put this paper right here. Put this pen as well. Thank you. Let's continue with speaking part 2 related with your response. How can people improve their health?
People can eat healthy food, and and enough water, and getting much time sleep, and regular exercise. Mm, it's very important. People can fit.
What are some popular ways to keep fit in your country?
Some people go for gym, run, and morning walking, and yoga. Yoga are so common in my country.
Okay. How important is it for people to do some regular physical exercise?
Uh,
How important is it for people to do some regular physical exercise? Okay, notice. Do you think there will be more or less illness in the future?
I think people are very busy, very busy, and they're not take care your they're not take care both health, and not sleep some much time, and not sleep much time, and yeah, her and their and people are always her life, and aim money, and personal life. So, and people are do important, and uh, do important exercise, and uh, take care their body healthy.
Okay, what makes a good doctor?
A good doctor should carefully listen her patient, and a good doctor suggest medicine, and keep people are keep, good for health.
Okay, ma'am, that is the end of your speaking portion. You will get your marks within 1 to 2 days on our Facebook page or YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye for now. Assalamu alaikum.